A lightweight wooden quadcopter crate uses 4 brushless motors and a remote-controlled battery system to achieve balanced lift and stable flight. A curved slicer cleanly removes cooked corn kernels in arcs, leaving the shell intact for stuffing or decoration.
给我看一下，牛逼呀、
Let's go.
The woman skillfully manipulates a long wooden rod using 2 small sticks, inducing a controlled spinning motion on the wooden floor. The technique relies on precise hand coordination to maintain balance and continuous rotation. Cutting compound is spread onto a wool pad attached to a rotary polisher. As the tool spins, it gently removes oxidation and minor paint defects, restoring depth and clarity. The surface is then wiped with a microfiber cloth to reveal a smooth, high-gloss finish. Metal petals are individually bent and layered around a central axis to form a detailed, symmetrical flower with precise craftsmanship. A high alkaline foaming cleaner is applied directly onto a heavily soiled truck wheel, targeting baked-on grease and brake dust. Within seconds, the chemical reaction breaks down the grime, which is then rinsed off with a high-pressure water jet, revealing a polished metal surface. This process demonstrates the cleaning power of industrial-grade alkaline degreasers on steel components. An automatic wine opener extracts corks with a spiral drive, pours cleanly through a drip-free spout, and seals with a vacuum stopper to preserve freshness. A technician uses abrasive blasting to remove rust and old paint from a metal fuel tank, exposing a clean surface for refinishing. Proper protective gear and barriers ensure safety from airborne debris during the process.
Sometimes you gotta bale hay even if it got rained on. This is a field that I baled up just this week, and I got it in just before it got rained on again. Sometimes you gotta roll with the punches as a farmer.
Eye-catching decals applied to car rims, center logos, and fixed wheel parts. When the car moves, the vibrant colors create a dynamic visual effect that turns heads on the road. A compact crawler excavator is assisted by two larger machines to ascend a steep slope. The coordinated technique uses the buckets as stabilizing anchors, ensuring balance and control throughout the climb. A seamless LED lighting setup where wall and stair lights fade in and out together, creating a modern and elegant ambient glow, controlled by a smart module for smooth transitions and energy-efficient operation. A transparent sole protector film is carefully peeled from a Nike outsole to assess its performance in shielding against abrasion and dirt. This protective layer acts as a barrier between the outsole and various surfaces, minimizing scuffs from daily use. It's particularly valuable for sneaker collectors aiming to maintain pristine soles for display or resale. By reducing direct contact with the ground, the film extends the lifespan of the shoe's appearance.
Just about perfect.
An Epson projector displays digital sewing patterns onto fabric for precise cutting, eliminating paper templates and boosting efficiency. In this footage, the technician trims and adjusts a custom nozzle to precisely dispense pink adhesive into a joint groove between two surfaces. The flow is controlled for a sharp, clean bond, demonstrating high accuracy in industrial sealing applications. This method ensures both aesthetic consistency and reliable adhesion in precision work. Peel off the one-way vision film, Spray soapy water on the adhesive side, apply it to the glass, then smooth out bubbles with a squeegee and trim the excess. Inside is clear view, outside reflects like a mirror. A cone-shaped tree trimmer rotates the plant using a hydraulic arm, while a vertical mesh blade trims branches evenly. The system delivers precise shaping and boosts efficiency in commercial plant care. A gang saw with multiple blades slices granite blocks while water cools the system and clears debris for smooth, crack-free cuts. Heating the bottle cap and piercing it creates a DIY spout for controlled oil pouring and reduced spills. This vintage folding comb has a gold-plated frame with detailed engravings and a collapsible design that protects the teeth while combining elegance with portability. A sharp outer corner is crafted on the stone countertop by masking with tape, applying feeler, and carefully smoothing the joint. Once the tape is removed and the surface cleaned, the result is a seamless, polished edge that looks like part of a solid slab. A diamond core bit with water cooling drills clean holes in granite for fittings like drains or faucets. Slotted CNC panels are mounted onto a frame, then curved wooden fins are inserted to form a wave-like wall. The modular design highlights precision in digital modeling and real-world assembly. Spraying water to rinse off the foam from the green Cullinan makes clean, soothing ASMR sounds. The rotating wooden case unfolds in a spiral for compact, stylish storage. Learn a clever way to perfectly align dowel holes between two wood pieces using double-sided tape. No measuring tools required, just tape, drill, glue, and dowels. The car seat foam repair involves removing the damaged section and bonding a replacement block using upholstery adhesive. The new foam piece is sculpted with a blade and smoothed with a rotary tool to match the original seat contour, restoring both support and visual uniformity. Workers use a brass hammer to precisely insert the ball into the valve body, coordinating part placement and striking for consistent quality. The automated system precisely grooves short wood blocks using rotating cutters before transitioning to the joining stage. Consistent grooves allow for secure interlocking when pressed into long panels, ideal for furniture manufacturing and construction materials. Watch this smart LED pole react to claps with color-changing light effects, a sound-sensitive lighting system that turns every clap into a visual show. Table rotation and squeegee motion spread foam and clean, even circles for efficient glass cleaning.